prayer for Tita Cory. Our Father in heaven.
She is comfortable. She's not in pain.
We're praying for our former President, Corazon Aquino, for her continual recovery.
I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. I know she would want me to say thank you to all of you. To her doctors, to the nurses, to the millions of you na talagang pinagdarasal siya.
Hati ang bansa sa maraming issue, pero nagkakaisa ang mga Pilipino sa mataimtim na pagdarasal para sa mabilis na paggaling ni dating Pangulong Cory Aquino.
Our mother has been battling cancer with much courage for a year and a half.
Higit isang taon nang nakikipaglaban sa colon cancer, masela ng kalagayan ng dating Pangulo. Nagpasya ang pamilya Aquino na limitahan ang impormasyon tungkol sa kanyang kondisyon.
We know we are public. We know what my mom represents for our country.
Masusing sinundan ng publiko ang buhay ni Ginang Aquino mula nang patayin sa tarmac ang asawang si Ninoy noong 1983. Pero kahit naluklok sa Malacanang pagkaraan ng 3 taon at binantayan ng media, mahigpit niyang inalagaan ang kanyang pribadong buhay. Ano ang hindi natin alam tungkol sa kinikilalang Joan of Arc of the Philippines?
Cory and the kids were always at the short end.
Anong klase siyang ina?
She took up the burden, she took up the pain, and she made all of us strong.
Kaibigan.
She has the courage to withstand all these trials.
Leader.
She is a very decent person and very humble.
Bakit mo nagawa yun?
She took on a life that she never wanted. But she did it for my dad's memory.
Saan nagkagaling ang cancer mo? Paano mo
Malaki pa kayo. Did you see leadership politics?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Ngayong gabi, sasabayan ng Probe Profiles ang dasal ng buong bayan sa pamamagitan ng pagkilala kay dating Pangulong Cory Aquino. Ang ordinaryong may bahay na buong tapang na humamon sa diktaduryang Marcos. At mula noon, ang tanging Pangulo na hindi nasilaw sa kapangyarihan.
Ayon kay Sitangco, stable ang kondisyon ni Mrs. Aquino.
No longer under chemo now. Now she's stable. There is no medical intervention.
Lungkot
there.
at pag-aalala ang hatid ng balitang nagdesisyon na ang pamilya Aquino kasama ng mga doktor na ihinto na ang pagkikimotherapy ng kanilang ina. Ayon na rin sa sarili nitong kagustuhan.
Dapat maintindihan ng lahat that sa kanya talaga nakasulat doon sa itaas what is going to happen.
Dumalaw kamakailan si Piping sa nakatatandang kapatid na si Cory. Sa 10 minuto na itinagal niya sa ospital, 2 minuto lang niya nasilip ang dating Pangulo. Mahina pero maayos at maganda daw ang kulay ng balat nito.
I remember when somebody was asking me, has she given up, Yung bang ganun. And sabi ko, you're mistaking her faith as giving up, All her life, ganun siya it's the will of God. If God feels that I should still live, I'll live.
The day that the doctors...
Sa simula't sapul, hindi nagbago ang paniniwala ng dating Pangulo.
When she told me about it, you can see na sa kanya talaga na talagang yung total surrender niya talaga ibang klase. Kaya hindi ka makaiyak sa harap niya. Kahit na gusto ko siyang iyakan.
Bakit?
Because you draw the strength from her. Sabi ko, how are you? And then she said, well, if he wills it, I will be healed.
I really thought I'd done enough.
Sa kanyang pagsuko sa Panginoon, kumilos at lumaban si Cory.
I don't think I would have been able to manage as well if I didn't have my 5 children.
Sa mga nakakikilala kay Cory, ang pananampalataya, hamon at hirap ay kakambal sa buhay ng dating unang pamilya ng bansa.
Cory and the kids, if you look at it, never really had an easy life, you know, compared to us. Kasi during that time that Ninoy was at his glory, the Wonder Boy, sila very subdued ang life nila. You know? And then, when Ninoy was in jail, naturally, you know, you can imagine the hardship that the kids and Cory went through, you know.
In church, I could see that friends of, or at least acquaintances of mine, na alam mo nakita ka na, tapos biglang sa iba titingin, o kaya kung nakaluhod sila, biglang titingin sa itaas na parang may nakitang whatever. So, well, anyway, ganyan na nga siguro talaga.